Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will renew our Alberta license online. So first we need to open our web browser and write down here renew Alberta license online. And now we need to click on our first link, Government of Alberta. Click here and now we can see driving license renewal, and you can read here, and you will receive your new driving license card in the mail in approximately 10 to 14 days. It's a price $93 for 5 year. So now we need to open our Alberta account. Click on alberta.ca account. Here we need to enter our email ID and password and click on continue. Here we need to order form, driving license number. Here we need to enter our driving license, Alberta organ and tissue donation registration. If you want, you can click in this box, otherwise we do not click in this checkbox. And please read these lines carefully. Motor vehicle information and payment confirmation, we need click here. And photography and signature confirmation, we need to click in this checkbox. I declare that I am not prohibited and suspended from driving license. Click in this checkbox. I declare I do not have any current or pre-existing medical condition. Please click in this checkbox. I declare that I am lawfully entered to be or to remain in Canada. Enter in this checkbox. I declare that my personal information, license detail, all these are correct. Click in this checkbox. I declare that I understand that providing inaccurate and or false information may be result is prosecution. Click in this checkbox. Registry agent. Select registry. Click on name, and here you can enter any registry like a Melbourne registry service. And now you need to select registry address. If you want, you can save for future, otherwise submit. And here you can see the order details, you can see order summary, and click on secure checkout. Here we pay for our order. We fill in card detail, enter your card name, number and date. You must accept all the terms and conditions to place the order. Finally, you can receive your order in 10 to 14 days. And if you want to watch more videos related to form, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my videos.